Good morning, friends. Thank you all for being so patient yesterday. I know we're trying to navigate everything, so some things won't be working correctly, but hopefully after these first couple days, we'll all get into the routine. So in order to get started, you should be watching this video for morning meeting before you proceed with this part of the day's assignments. The video link yesterday, for some reason, was not working. I couldn't get it to approve it to you guys at home, but hopefully this one works. So what you'll do today is you'll click here on the link, click, and then it should take you to the video. If for some reason it doesn't work, this is just an optional fun song for you guys to listen to since we don't have WEGN. So if it doesn't work, you can just go ahead and move on. Now would be a good time to pause the video, listen to that song, and then come back. Today's schedule, you will have our daily meeting, our social emotional learning, you'll complete our math warm-up, our math lesson for the day, you'll have a brain break, you'll do your iReady math lesson where you have to pass one lesson, reflex math, a brain break, and then the afternoon part will be, or the second part, will be all our ELA activities. So we're going to continue to learn about synonyms and language today. For writing, we'll keep working on our Penguin rough drafts, a brain break, another reading lesson about author's purpose, and we'll listen to another story today, a brain break, and then you'll complete your iReady reading lesson and foundations. I did add in your final step is to turn in your assignments, and I'm going to show you how to do that at the end of the day today. So first, we're going to start with days in school. To complete this slide, you'll need to click the blocks and drag them over into the 110s ones chart. Our number today is 127. So everything on here should be about the number 127. You'll type, is it even or odd? So you'll select in the box and then go ahead and start typing. If you're ever typing and there is no flashing cursor like what you see right there, if it just has the whole box highlighted, you're going to want to click in that box one more time. If you accidentally would erase a box, you can click the back arrow right here to undo that, or you can click here to insert a new text box where you would just click and drag where you wanted, and a text box would appear. So again, you'll type is 127 even or odd. Then we're looking at this chart with the number 127. What is 100 less, 10 less, and 1 less than this number? What is 1 more, 10 more, and 100 more? At the bottom, you're going to type the number in expanded form. So here we're going to start with the number 1. How much is this 1 worth? What's the value of that number? You'll type it in the box. You'll do the same for the 2 and then the 7. For the calendar, you're going to read the date. So you'll read the day of the week, the month, the day, and the year. So that would sound like today is Wednesday, March 18th, 2020. On this slide, we have our weather reporter. You are able to go ahead and click in the graph and fill in the weather, whatever you think the weather is for that day. So if you think it's a cloudy day, you would click in that box, go up here to this paint bucket, and then you can fill in the color that you want. If for some reason you would happen to adjust the table or something like that, then you can just go ahead and click that back arrow and it will change it back. Here for our moneymaker, you're going to click and drag the coins over to this box to show 32 cents. For time teller, you'll click and move the hands on the clock to show 4 o'clock. Measurement leader, you have this line here. Your job is to measure the line in inches, and then you're going to type your answer in this box below. So I already have this ruler here for you with the line all lined up. Don't forget to label your answer and type in inches. Then we have our affirmations where we're going to be thinking positive. So you'll just say these out loud, nice and proud, or you can say them in your mind. And then when you are finished, we're going to move on. So right now you're going to stop, complete your morning meeting slides on your assignment for the slideshow today, and then you're going to move on to the social emotional lesson.